Consider the beauty of nature. The fields of grain swaying gently in the breeze. The mountain peaks rising high above the lowlands, feeding streams of fresh water to quench the thirst of the earth and its abundant life. Vast oceans cover most of the globe. They cool our planet and provide a habitat for plants and animals that thrive above the surface and below. Our planet contains a diverse ecosystem. Some of it is peaceful, some of it is violent. All of it is surprisingly complex. Nothing is more complex than mankind. We work, we dream. We hold dominion over the earth by virtue of our intellect. We question, did it come about by chance through billions of years of evolution? Or is there another explanation? A growing number of scientists are looking at the evidence and finding proof of an intelligence at work, a designer of our unique planet. The Earth is just one of countless billions of planets, surrounding countless billions of stars within countless billions of galaxies. Because the universe is so immense, many people believe there must be other planets like ours, occupied by people like us. But when we stop to consider all that is required to make life possible on our planet, our existence is not improbable. It's a miracle. The recipe for life contains many ingredients. We will call these ingredients factors, and every one of these many ingredients, in precise amounts, is necessary for life to exist. If any ingredient is missing or wrong, the recipe fails. A planet must have liquid water in order to sustain life. Water absorbs heat from the sun. It is also the best medium for transporting nutrients, another necessary ingredient to our recipe. Scientists around the world are exploring the universe for signs of life, and the first thing they look for is water. The National Space and Aeronautics Administration of the United States has succeeded in finding signs of water in our nearest planetary neighbor Mars. But this is still only one ingredient to our recipe. Mars does not have an atmosphere that could sustain complex life. Animals and humans need a breathable oxygen-nitrogen atmosphere that assures a temperate climate. To this day, we have not found another planet with a breathable atmosphere. The universe is filled with radiation that is dangerous to life. Our planet is constantly bombarded by gamma rays, X-rays, and a host of other forms of radiation that can kill us. But our atmosphere blocks most of these harmful rays while allowing light rays from our sun to filter through. Light rays are essential to life. Plants need it for photosynthesis, which provides us with the oxygen we breathe. Our planet is the right size. It contains a molten iron core which circulates inside and creates a magnetic field around the Earth. This field protects our atmosphere from the sun's solar flares. If Earth were smaller, solar winds would pass through the decreased magnetic field and destroy our atmosphere. The crust of our planet ranges between 6 kilometers and 80 kilometers in thickness. Huge tectonic plates float on the molten core and allow heat from the inside to escape. It is thin, like an eggshell to an egg, but it is a cracked shell. This escaping heat regulates our planet's core so that the Earth doesn't suddenly explode. Our moon is 1/4 the size of the Earth and is orbiting at exactly the right distance to stabilize the Earth's axis and rotation. The gravitational pull of the moon is what causes waves to roll onto the shore. It causes the tide to rise and fall. It helps to circulate wind and ocean currents. It ensures modest seasonal changes that keep our environment in balance. Without our moon, the Earth would stagnate. The Earth is the right distance from the sun. If we were just 5% closer, all of our water would dissipate, our atmosphere would crumble, and temperatures on Earth would be similar to that of Venus, about 900 degrees. If the Earth were just 20% farther from the sun, it would be a frozen, barren landscape like that of Mars. Our star, the sun, is actually perfect for our needs. If it were larger than it is, or more intense, then the Earth would be too hot to sustain life and the gravitational pull would be too strong. There are more ingredients necessary for life than have been mentioned here. But even if we only take these few factors into account, we enter into the realm of mathematical impossibility. We add ingredients to a recipe, but when we calculate the possibilities of finding another planet like our own, we must multiply. The odds of finding any one of these factors in other planets is remote, but when we multiply each factor by the others, we come up with an amazing figure. The odds of there being another planet like Earth that is capable of supporting complex life like us is less than 1 chance in a number consisting of a 1 followed by 15 zeros. Scientific facts do not support the existence of another Earth-like planet in the universe. But here is an even more astonishing truth. It is also impossible that the Earth exists by pure chance. In fact, the evidence points to an intelligent designer of our unique planet, a designer who prepared every small detail so that mankind could live and prosper. The first words of the Holy Bible tell us, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." When we look at the wonders of nature and the wonders of the heavens, we do not see an accident. We see the masterpiece of an all-knowing, all-powerful, and all-loving Creator.